Hi everyone, my name is Jason. Today we're going to talk about this rechargeable spot sprayer made by something called TruePower. I never heard of them. This I got Menards. And I want something small to clean off my keyboard rather than haul my air compressor, even though the smallest one I got a 1.5 gallon and 2 gallon. It's still pretty heavy for me to haul down the stairs and in my computer room to clean it off. So I want something portable. So we're going to go through this, unpackage it, we're going to charge it and test it out. Now this does do solvents as well. With most things, solvents, cleaners, penetrates, and solvents. I didn't get it for that. This is purely going to be used for air. Rechargeable, of course, fine spray, nozzle tight spray, nozzle, jet spray, nozzle with tube. Comes with 3 long reach tubes, spare valve stems with replacement seals, and a spare O-ring. Okay, first let's go over to the Harbor Freight website. I'm going to show you this on Menards website, and I'm going to talk about this a little bit. And first, we're going to start out on the Harbor Freight website and to show you what I was looking for. Now, these are portable, 5 and 11 gallon. There's nothing wrong with them. They're big. I was looking for something that was actually a lot smaller. 1 gallon, half gallon would have been ideal, but of course they don't make it. The smallest I could find was like a 3.5 gallon. And it was really, really expensive because that's not a common size for these. 5 gallons are the most common. So I went over here, and here's something else here. This is that blow duster, $6.99. Of course, these are throwaway. Use them and then you're done with them. You can't recharge them. So then this is how I found this. I actually found this by accident, searching for something like, oh, that's pretty good. So this is that rechargeable air canister, $14.99. Of course, this is Menards. If you go on Amazon and stuff, you're going to see it's a lot higher. It's going to run about $37 on Amazon. Menards is one of my favorite stores next to Harbor Freight. It's been around for many, many years. It started in Minnesota and Wisconsin in the 1960s, and it's kind of expanding east towards Ohio and south a little bit. But yeah, it's a really good store. It's a store you get your lumber, your groceries, your milk, and your furniture, and your plants all in one place. All right, let's get back to the unpackaging it. Let's take this out of the box. Charge roll 16 ounce, so it says 90 psi max. You got the extra parts and then the instructions. Of course, how many people actually read these? And next to me, I have a Fortress 2-gallon air compressor. I've had this for several years. I actually love that air compressor. Portable. It needs a power. Need to actually run some light air guns with it. Does really well too. I got a review on that as well. So this thing's charged, and I have this attached to it. And what we're going to do is going to charge it up to 90 psi. Take that tip off. Okay, put it off. Okay, we're charged. All right, there we go. Let's put one of these nozzles on because that's what I'll be using it for. You ain't gonna get much out of it. It's really small, 16 ounces. Don't expect to get a lot. If you need a lot, you probably want to look at those other big ones you're looking at. I have to change this tip out to a bigger tip to fit that nozzle. Down there. And then that goes in there. Like I said, you won't get that much. Probably about 10 seconds of solid air at 90 psi. And you go, yeah, maybe go 95, but yeah, I wouldn't press any more than that. It's, of course, not meant to hold a lot of pressure. That's it. I mean, it's something that you need just for air you need for about 10 seconds. Then you can look at these. These seem like it's a little weaker than actually those cans of air that, that one that I showed you on the Harbor Freight website. So those will probably last a little longer than this. But figure if you need 10 seconds of air, here you go. All right, guys, if you have any questions, thanks for watching and put it in the comments.